Hey guys, welcome back. Another hot day out here in Colorado. Um, we're making some more progress, mostly on the rear bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you through that and show you where we're at and how we're gonna finish it up. So what we got here is most of the bumper is got its final layer of filler on it. So I've got to go ahead and final sand that. And then once we do that, we've also got this mating piece that goes on here. I've test fitted it a couple of times just to make sure everything's fitting properly. And we're going to go ahead and paint it. Well, we're going to prime it. Okay guys, well, here we go. Obviously there's a few little gaps I'm gonna have to contend with, but when it's on the car those will be harder to see, but we'll figure that out. Probably some weather stripping will take care of that. And then we can take a look at what the grills look like, so let's go look at that. Yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty good. I like that. So now we've got to get those bolted in, and then one of the other things I have to do is the exhaust tips. So let's get cracking. Okay guys, well, I got her on. There you have it. Obviously we got some gaps to work on and things of that nature, but I think that that's the rear end for the car. And I think once we do the carbon fiber here on the diffuser and then up on those guys like I shown here, I think you'll agree that it's going to look pretty sweet. Now, some of the things that are going on, kind of see that line down the car, and this one over here. You can see there's kind of a bend in it, so I'm going to have to fix that line. Other thing that happened is that this got raised up, so I'm going to have to fix that. There's a bigger gap here for the tail lights than there is over here, and that's because this part of the quarter panel is different. I'm going to have to go back and fix that and make those the same. So I think other than that, we're looking pretty good as far as everything's looking. I did have to fix, once I dropped it off of the lift, I did end up getting a tighter gap here, just because the frame's going to flex a little bit, and so I had to fix that. I've got these window pieces in here, and they're mounted and ready to go. So next things are, I'm going to take that and the A-pillar covers out, and we're going to get those covered in carbon fiber. And then we're also going to do the console. So outside of all of the other things that we have to do on the car. But Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think she's looking pretty groovy, and I think she'll be ready for the show. So you guys tell me what you think, and yeah. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think, especially about the rear end. I think it's going to look good once we get all the carbon on it. Probably not going to do that for the show because I don't want to rush it. But we are going to fix a lot of the gaps and the little details, so that the car at least presents somewhat well at the show. And you know, we're gonna get it ready for paint probably this winter. It's just these things always take longer than you think they do. So anyway, other announcement, we may have a channel sponsor next time, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And again, as always, let me know what you guys think. We'll talk to you later. Bye.